looking for a custom home on acreage that's close to town but has all the privacy of being on a dead-end road? If so, I think you're really going to enjoy this one. Let's check it out. It says 3 beds, 3 baths, over 3,000 square feet of living space, 3-car garage. It's also got an additional shop that can fit 3 cars, and then it has an additional barn that's set up for horses. So check it out and let me know what you think. Alrighty, what'd you think of the property? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Luke Callahan, and if you ever want to see any property, make sure you just text or call anytime. And until the next video, I will see ya.